and answers tailored for the Salesforce AgentForce Specialist exam on the topic of Sales Cloud. Mesh 1. What is the primary function of Sales Cloud and Salesforce? A. Manage customer support cases. B. Automate marketing campaigns. C. Track sales leads, opportunities, and customer accounts. D. Monitor employee performance. Answer C. Track sales leads, opportunities, and customer accounts. Hannah 2. Which Sales Cloud feature helps sales reps track potential deals through a pipeline? A. Campaigns. B. Opportunities. C. Leads. D. Reports. Answer opportunities. 3. What object in Sales Cloud is used to store unqualified potential customers? A. Case. B. Account. C. Contact. D. Answer lead. 4. What happens when a lead is converted in Sales Cloud? A. Only an opportunity is created. B. A contact account and optionally an opportunity are created. C. The lead is deleted permanently. D. Only an account is created. Answer. B. A contact account and optionally an opportunity are created. 5. What tool in Sales Cloud allows tracking of sales stages visually? A. Dashboards. B. List views. C. Sales path. D. Reports. Answer C. Sales path. What is a benefit of using the forecasts feature in Sales Cloud? A. It tracks employee attendance. B. It manages marketing budgets. C. It helps predict future sales revenue. D. It creates new leads automatically. Answer C. It helps predict future sales revenue. 7. In Sales Cloud, what object typically stores information about companies? A. Lead. B. Contact. C. Account. D. Opportunity. 8. What is the purpose of a campaign in Sales Cloud? A. To track customer service issues. B. To group marketing efforts and track responses. C. To store closed sales. D. To display sales data. Answer B. To group marketing efforts and track responses. 9. Which Salesforce automation tool is commonly used to assign leads automatically? A. Validation rules. B. Approval process. C. Lead assignment rules. D. Escalation rules. Answer C. Lead assignment rules. 10. Which feature in Sales Cloud provides a real-time view of key metrics for sales teams? A. Reports. B. Chatter. C. Dashboards. D. Setup. Answer C. Dashboards. Which Sales Cloud feature enables reps to quickly log calls, create tasks, and send emails from one place? A. Global actions. B. Activity timeline. C. Opportunity stages. D. Sales console. Answer B. Activity timeline. 2. What is the role of a contact in Sales Cloud? A. A company record. B. A product or service. C. An individual associated with an account. D. A customer case. Answer C. An individual associated with an account. Chat 3. What does the opportunity stage field represent in Sales Cloud? A. A marketing status. B. A customer complaint type. C. The current phase of a deal in the sales process. D. An employee sales quota. Answer C. The current phase of a deal in the sales process. HANA 4. What is a quote in Sales Cloud? A. A marketing message. B. A written estimate of pricing for a customer. C. A sales forecast. D. A support ticket. Answer B. A written estimate of pricing for a customer. 5. What allows users to send pre-written email messages in Sales Cloud? A. Email templates. B. Quick actions. C. Flows. D. List views. Answer 6. How can sales managers track performance using Sales Cloud? A. By sending emails manually. B. By analyzing forecasts, dashboards, and reports. C. Through external Excel files. D. By checking chatter feeds. Answer B. By analyzing forecasts, dashboards, and reports. Hack 7. What is the difference between a lead and a contact in Sales Cloud? A. Leads are always qualified. Contacts are not. B. Leads are unqualified prospects. Contacts are individuals linked to accounts. C. Contacts cannot be converted. Leads can. D. There is no difference. Answer B. Leads are unqualified prospects. Contacts are individuals linked to accounts. 8. Which feature helps prioritize tasks and meetings for sales reps in Sales Cloud? A. Task Scheduler. B. Lightning Scheduler. C. Activity Management. D. Email Alerts. Answer C. Activity Management. What does the close date field on an opportunity represent? A. The date when the quote was sent. B. The expected date when the deal will be won or lost. C. The date a case is closed. D. The date a lead is converted. Answer B. The expected date when the deal will be won or lost. 10. Which tool in Sales Cloud allows reps to log activities directly from mobile devices? A. Salesforce mobile app. B. Chatter desktop. C. Marketing Cloud. D. Einstein Analytics. Answer A. Salesforce mobile app. 1. What is the main purpose of the products object in Sales Cloud? A. To define support cases. B. To create user profiles. C. To associate goods or services with opportunities. D. To set up company profiles. Answer C. To associate goods or services with opportunities. 2. What is Pricebook used for in SalesCloud? A. To manage customer reviews. B. To maintain different pricing structures for products. C. To track employee bonuses. D. To manage opportunity stages. Answer B. To maintain different pricing structures for products. 3. Which feature helps automate follow-up tasks after a lead is converted? A. Validation rules. B. Workflow rules. C. Record types. D. Web to lead workflow rules. 4. What is a primary use case for web to lead in SalesCloud? A. To create leads from a website form automatically. B. To track email clicks. C. To create reports. D. To send SMS messages. Answer A. To create leads from a website form automatically. 5. Which permission is needed to convert a lead in SalesCloud? A. View all data. B. Convert leads. C. Create opportunities. D. Edit accounts. Answer B. Convert leads. 6. How does the Sales Console benefit sales reps? A. By allowing them to design dashboards. B. By providing a multi-tab workspace to manage records faster. C. By scheduling service appointments. D. By managing external apps. Answer B. By providing a multi-tab workspace to manage records faster. In a typical sales process, when is a lead qualified? A. When it's assigned to a queue. B. When a quote is generated. C. When the rep decides the prospect is ready to become an opportunity. D. When a dashboard is created. Answer C. When the rep decides the prospect is ready to become an opportunity. 8. What is the function of Path in SalesCloud? A. To monitor login history. B. To show product pricing. C. To guide users through key steps in a sales process. D. To analyze lead scores. Answer C. To guide users through key steps in a sales process. 9. Which field is commonly used to track the source of a lead in SalesCloud? A. Record type. B. Lead source. C. Campaign influence. D. Description answer. B. Lead source. 10. How does campaign influence work in SalesCloud? A. It updates lead scores. B. It links multiple campaigns to a single opportunity to track marketing impact. C. It calculates product discounts. D. It assigns leads to users. Answer B. It links multiple campaigns to a single opportunity to track marketing impact. 1. What does Einstein lead scoring do in SalesCloud? A. Assigns leads to queues. B. Uses AI to score leads based on likelihood to convert. C. Automatically converts leads. D. Emails customers. Answer. Uses AI to score leads based on likelihood to convert. 2. What is the benefit of using opportunity teams in SalesCloud? A. To link multiple products to one opportunity. B. To assign different team members with specific roles to an opportunity. C. To track forecast history. D. To assign leads to different territories. Answer B. To assign different team members with specific roles to an opportunity. 3. What is a common use of lead queues in SalesCloud? A. To restrict lead conversion. B. To organize leads for mass email. C. To assign unowned leads to groups for distribution. D. To delete leads. Answer C. To assign unowned leads to groups for distribution. 4. What Salesforce feature allows sales reps to collaborate on deals in real time? A. Chatter. B. Reports. C. Approval process. D. Price books. Answer A. Chatter. 5. What is the main benefit of using opportunity splits in SalesCloud? A. To divide the revenue between multiple campaigns. B. To split the credit for a deal among multiple sales reps. C. To create multiple quotes. To close opportunities faster. Answer B. To split the credit for a deal among multiple sales reps. 6. Which object in SalesCloud can be linked to campaigns for marketing attribution? A. Product. B. Opportunity. C. Role. D. Chatter poster. B. Opportunity. 7. What is the purpose of contact roles on opportunities? A. To assign tasks. B. To define the role of each contact related to a deal. C. To manage user permissions. D. To assign discounts. Or B. To define the role of each contact related to a deal. 8. What are path key fields used for in a sales process? A. To define price books. B. To highlight important fields at each stage of an opportunity. C. To route leads. D. To send alerts. Answer B. To highlight important fields at each stage of an opportunity. 9. What is the main advantage of Lightning email templates for SalesCloud users? A. They require manual entry every time. B. They help personalize outreach with reusable dynamic content. C. They're only available to admins. D. They slow down performance. Answer B. They help personalize outreach with reusable dynamic content. 10. How does territory management help in SalesCloud? A. It locks opportunities by region. B. It aligns sales reps to customers based on geographic or business criteria. C. It limits visibility to dashboards. D. It controls login hours. Answer B. It aligns sales reps to customers based on geographic or business criteria. What is a key benefit of using the lead assignment rules in SalesCloud? A. They block duplicate leads. B. They automate the process of routing leads to the right users or queues. C. They validate lead data. D. They convert leads automatically. Answer B. They automate the process of routing leads to the right users or queues. 2. What is the function of the primary campaign source field on an opportunity? A. To display the campaign with the highest ROI. B. To track the most recent marketing effort. C. To identify the campaign most responsible for generating the opportunity. D. To restrict campaign access. Answer C. To identify the campaign most responsible for generating the opportunity. 3. What Sales Cloud feature allows users to schedule follow-up reminders? A. Lead queue. B. Einstein Opportunity Insights. C. Tasks. D. Reports. And C. Tasks. 4. Which field on the opportunity object tracks expected revenue? A. Opportunity score. B. Forecast category. C. Amount. D. Stage. Answer C. Amount. What happens when you enable multiple currencies in Sales Cloud? A. All records are automatically translated. B. Users must log in with their currency. C. Salesforce stores currency values in both the user's currency and corporate currency. D. Currency conversion becomes disabled. Answer C. Salesforce stores currency values in both the user's currency and corporate currency. 6. How do customizable forecasts support sales management? A. By customizing layouts for reports. B. By tracking historical case performance. C. By providing roll-up of expected revenue based on opportunity stages. D. By showing converted leads only. Answer C. By providing roll-up of expected revenue based on opportunity stages. What object links accounts and opportunities with roles of people involved? A. Lead. B. Campaign. C. Contact role. Case. Answer C. Contact role. 8. What does Einstein Opportunity Insights help reps with? A. Case escalation. B. Suggested next steps and alerts for deals at risk. C. Product bundling. D. Campaign budget forecasts. Answer B. Suggested next steps and alerts for deals at risk. 9. How does Big Deal Alerts help sales users? A. It displays new contacts and accounts. B. It sends email alerts when high-value opportunities reach a certain stage. C. It restricts access to pricing. D. It creates dashboards for top leads. Answer B. It sends email alerts when high-value opportunities reach a certain stage. 10. What is the main purpose of enterprise territory management? A. To manage user licenses. B. To restrict access to chatter. C. To structure and manage sales territories based on rules and hierarchy. D. To monitor campaign ROI. Answer C. To structure and manage sales territories based on rules and hierarchy.